Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily delete your widgets on your iOS 14. So for doing this you just need to tap on some icon on your home screen, so for example settings, and just move it from left to right, and here you can see that we see delete button on every of our icons, so and also on widgets. So for example I will delete map, so just click here, and here you can see remove maps widgets, click remove, and now you can see that it successfully remove this widget from our page. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.